Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Call of Duty Modern Warfare campaign. First, launch the game and navigate to the main menu. You will see several options, including multiplayer, co-op, and campaign. Select campaign to begin your single-player journey. Before starting, you can choose your difficulty, from recruit for a relaxed experience to veteran for a significant challenge. Take a moment to review the basic controls and the on-screen information. As you progress through the campaign, your main goal is to complete mission objectives. These are clearly marked on your screen with icons, guiding you to the next step. Pay close attention to the dialogue from your squadmates and mission command. It often provides vital information and story context. Don't forget to use your tactical map, which can be accessed with a dedicated button, to get a broader view of the area and pinpoint enemy locations. Engaging in combat is a core part of the Modern Warfare campaign. Always prioritize using cover to protect yourself from enemy fire. This is crucial for survival and allows your health to regenerate. The game offers a wide array of weapons, from assault rifles to sniper rifles, so try them all to discover what suits your playstyle best. Remember to utilize your tactical equipment, such as frag grenades for clearing rooms or flashbangs for disorienting foes. The Modern Warfare campaign unfolds through a series of interconnected missions. Successfully completing each mission is essential to advance the compelling storyline and unlock new cinematic sequences that deepen the narrative. The campaign typically features around 14 missions, offering several hours of engaging gameplay. Once you finish the story, consider replaying missions on a harder difficulty setting to test your skills and experience the challenges anew.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.